guess what? We
What?
just made 2
All right, so this is the first one, right?
Yeah, we already showed y'all that.
Let's get a picture of it. There we go.
Not
and,
bad.
And then
Dun, dun, dun!
here's another one. Goes all the way up.
And guys,
It's got a flag on it. Look at that.
and guys, we're gonna make a bridge across.
Are we gonna make a bridge across?
Oh yeah!
All right. Good morning, everybody, and we are headed. I said yes, we to Blizzard Beach. Right, Vinnie?
Oh, water park!
Water park. So we're gonna have some fun. We'll try to film what we can. We'll see. First of all, we gotta get there, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's get there. Let's go.
And we have to go through all Disney stuff.
Oh no, we're not going through Disney. We're going to Disney. That's right. Ready? Let's go.
Let's get. Well, that was fast. So, guys, we're gonna be going to a water park today. We're already here. Y'all can't see that much, but
What's in the park?
We're
Blizzard Beach.
We're at Blizzard Beach. It's taken a long time to get in. Very long time.
How long are we waiting for?
I don't know, maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half. It's crazy.
It's not been no hour. It's been like 2 minutes.
But it is taking forever. Alright guys, we're gonna show you all the water. Y'all can barely see it, but it's there. So yeah, catch y'all in there. Okay guys, we're going in!
We're almost walking in.
Well, we're still kind of in line, but we're going in right now.
Just keep it going.
It's taking a very long time.
We're moving.
Ooh, donuts! Donuts!
They smell good.
Yeah, they do.
We already had a donut though.
Yeah, for real. I want to get in that. That lazy river. Can we get in the lazy river first?
Well, no, we gotta go find a spot first. After we get a spot, then we can go do whatever we want.
Oh, yeah. I want to get in the lazy river first, guys. That'd be crazy today.
Good morning, welcome.
I want to try to be the first. Crazy. A lot of places right there. Crazy.
We're gonna go this way.
And if y'all want to go, check out Blizzard Beach. It's pretty cool.
So far.
Yeah. People are finding seats. Crazy.
Oh, dude, how about we get right there?
Right there, all right.
Spot?
Yeah.
Let's do this spot.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and sit right here.
We gotta claim this again spot right here.
Oh, lazy river, it's right there, bro.
We're gonna take that one. And
All right, this is a crazy weekend. I'm getting my
be
goggles.
careful, there's stuff. All right, oh my God. So we're at Blizzard Beach and we already jumped in the water.
Yeah.
We've been here an hour. We totally forgot the camera, but hey, so let's go do some stuff. Vinnie,
Yeah.
take over from here.
Okay, guys, we're going in the lazy river right now. And y'all go in the water with me. All right, guys, we're in the lazy river. Over here.
Hey, Vinnie.
Hi.
What you doing, Vinnie?
And the tube. It's a crazy day, guys.
Is it? How crazy is it?
Real crazy. It's like, it's going fast. Earlier, we just did something cool, but I'm not going to tell y'all. I'm not going to tell
No,
y'all.
we can tell them.
It's a surprise.
No, we rode some water slides already.
Yeah, but the one we're going to ride later is a surprise. Don't tell them.
Yeah, that was a surprise. That's a big one.
Yeah, it's a surprise, guys. And it is scary. I already rode it before.
Is it scary?
Yeah.
I got it.
Say something.
All right. You want to swim in the water?
Yeah.
All right, go.
See y'all.
Hey, where's you? Oh, you left. Never mind.
Bro, I forgot my goggles.
I know. I'm not going back. We are not going back for the goggles.
My goggles.
Oh, well.
Oh, crap.
He stinks.
Alright, guys, it's crazy.
Help
I'm gonna
me.
get back in the tube so I can hold y'all.
Don't drop it.
So, we've been here for like
An hour already.
Hour and a half?
No, an hour. We're gonna ride some more. We're gonna laser for a little bit and we'll go around the slides, right?
Yeah, it's gotta be fun, guys.
Mama!
Don't touch the front because it's a minion on it.
God, it's kind of hard to swim with the tube.
Yeah, it is. That's why I was holding him.
I can hold it. It's hard, guys. So, if y'all making a video right now, and make sure y'all like and subscribe to the park trick. Alright, guys, we're going underneath a bridge. And earlier there was this house, and there was a big bear, and this guy just sneezed, but I'm not gonna tell you how big it was. It was big. A real big sneeze. Fuck, I can't swim. I cannot.
Flyer.
Bro, there's a bridge. Bruh, look, I thought that girl's gonna fly.
Let's
She
film
might.
him.
She is going to
Let's see,
fly.
we're gonna film him.
Stones fly.
You ready? Let's see it. Here, give him a keep frame. Let's see it. There he goes. There we go.
Where's she going? Where's she going? She's legit gone.
Where'd she go?
Teleporting. Bye. Mother. We're getting on a chairlift. It's going very, very slow.
But you're gonna be number one.
All right, number one. Oh, I want to be number one.
Yeah.
Why stop? Good excuse.
Why did it stop?
Yeah. And we didn't go all the way around. We got off, went off, walk all the way to the top. And we went back, grabbed the GoPro, got back to the Lazy River, and got here. Yeah.
There's a lot of steps up there.
Please remain seated.
We thought this would be quicker, but
Moving momentarily.
it's stopping like a billion times. Come on!
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving
Right
momentarily.
up. Thank you. Y'all stand on the one. You ready? Get ready to sit down.
Hopefully it don't run us.
Yeah, it's gonna run you over. You better sit down. Sit. Oh, we made it. Here we go. Lap bar's coming down. Woo! All right. Hey, Vinnie. We're up on we're going up. We're going up here. Look at that view. Yeah. Pretty much. This is cool. We can see the whole park from up here. Hey, maybe we can see somebody go down the slide, the big slide.
Yeah, I can go through it. Hey.
Yeah. This is cool, man. Look
Hi,
at
fans.
that.
If y'all are here, comment down below.
Well, they won't see this video for a while, then. All right, it's gonna take a couple of days for me to edit it. But see, look, that slide drops in that thing there. So see how it goes? Oh, I think we're stopping. Dude, I think we're stopping again. Oh, jeez. This thing, we thought it would have been quicker, right? Taking the chairlift, but it has stopped multiple times. We don't know why, but we didn't feel like walking upstairs
Look
again.
at them wear slides.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah. Look at this. This is so cool. Wow. Dude, it is a nice day to be at a water park today. It's like, if you look around, there's barely any sun out, a lot of clouds, so it might rain later today, but the park is not crowded. I mean, I say we waited maybe 5 minutes for one of the slides, right?
yeah.
Yeah, and it was really quick, and we rode it twice.
Yeah, and it was fun, but it's mystery. This one's cool.
Yeah, I said we should go ride that tube ride again.
Yeah.
And I'll bring the GoPro. What do y'all think? Yes? Okay, let's do that.
It's right up there.
It's right up there. We gotta get all the way to the top. Well, let's see, that's where those people are dropping in.
I don't like that.
I don't think you're tall enough for that one. He wants to get on Summit Plummet, the tallest, fastest ride, water slide here at Blizzard Beach. I mean, this is not Blizzard Beach, yeah, this is Blizzard Beach. I don't know where I'm at anymore. But yeah, look, we're almost at the top. is cool, isn't it? Huh? Look at all this. Look, we did that over there. We got in that pool.
Oh yeah. And that's probably going there.
Yeah. We sure got on these. All right, so we're about to get off. You know what that means, right?
Walking.
Mm.
I did. I found. Oh, stop.
Oh no. We stopped.
Well, that person went fast.
That's the one that dropped from the thing up there. Yeah, super fast. Hey, we're stopped again, Vinnie. So it keeps saying it's going to move momentarily, but it's been moments since it's moved. It has not had a moving moment in moments.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
It has not moved. It has not moved in moments. It keeps on saying every moment that we're going to move in 1 moment, but it's not moving. It's not having any moving moments. Like me right now, having a moving moment. I think I'm going to fart.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
All right, Vinnie, we are stuck on the chairlift, and it's a long way down. What are we gonna do, Vinnie?
And we dropped the dying.
The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Well, actually, what really happened is you're like the Flash, right? And it's moving very slow. So, meanwhile, you're moving fast, so it makes it look like it's moving slow. So it's moving very slow. We should have walked. It probably would have been faster. Honestly, I think we should have walked up the stairs. Would have been faster, huh? The lifeguard at the bottom of the lift hill, that we've been stuck up here 5 years, she was flirting with me. You know what she said? She said, my son
Please remain seated.
has pretty eyes. You know what I told her? He's not my son.
And it's your one.
Who am I? I'm your grandfather.
Yeah, not my dad.
Please remain seated.
We're still stuck up here. Someone said help! 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 I'm moving. Vinnie! What are you looking for, Vinnie? Vinnie! What are you
Please remain
looking for?
seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
So that's why it does go very, very, very fast.
Yeah, we're moving finally. What are you looking for, Vinnie? What are you doing, Vinnie?
Oh my god.
Oh, look at those hair ties.
Oh my
Why
God.
does people do this, Vinnie?
Like there was some kind of
Like all these people who have hair throw their hair tie. If I had a hair tie, I wouldn't throw it down there. Would you? Would you? You probably
My
would.
dad would.
Look, there's some up there, huh?
All clear.
This dance sucks. I'll film.
No, I gotta film you girls dancing. Come on.
I'm dancing.
You got on the handles. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Everybody throw.
I have no idea. My back's sweating. Let me scoot over. So hold on to the handles. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, you feel that on your butt? Oh, let's go, Vinnie. Oh my! Oh, we're staying, Vinnie! Uh-oh. Big drop. It's a big drop. Ah! No, it's not. Ah! Oh my God, look how high we are. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ah! Here we go. Big one. Ah! Uh-oh. 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 Ah! Oh, we're about to get wet. I hope you get wet first before I do. Ah, no! 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 Ah! Ah! Whoa! Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here it comes. Ah! Ah! That was cool. I'll see it soon. Cool.
I'm out.
Get in. here. You better hurry. Hurry. Well, you gotta stay seated until you get over there. It's all right. I didn't film you doing that. I didn't. So, Vinny, you like that one?
Yeah, buddy.
I know. Wait, stay in the boat. Stay in the boat. You lead us in trouble. Look at the jet ski up there. Look.
What's mine?
No, I think it's broken.
I can touch right there. You're twisting John.
No, stay in there. We gotta stay in to get out. Caution, snow drift ahead. You got wet, Vinny? I see that. I didn't get very wet. Just my butt's wet. All right, I'm turning it off. Say bye.
Bye.
Vinny! I don't know where Vinny is. I wish I knew. Get on this.
Alright guys, we're gonna run through this tunnel, and that'd be cool, guys. Alright guys, there's a little secret entrance. Just something right here. Very cool. Come on. Shut up and run.
You're gonna fall in before you know it.
Ben, get ready. Ben,
You ain't gonna make it. I don't think you'll make it.
wait for him, Ben.
Oh, you didn't make it. You didn't make it. Vinny! I don't think you're gonna make it.
I think I am.
You already missed it once. All right.
I'm gonna try again.
All right, we'll see. We'll see.
Get you to crawl across for me. Yeah? You're good to go.
He's struggling. He's trying. Oh, he made it. He swung over. Oh my God, he's almost there. Yeah. One more. One more. He made it. He made it. Hey. Hey, he made it all the way across. All right, come on. I want to show you something. Let's see. Look, there's nobody up here, but watch what we can see from up here, dude. Look.
Look, that's a tower. I've heard that before.
Yeah, that's the Tower of Terror. That's what I was to show you. You can see it really good from up here. Oh, look. That's a beautiful view. Look. Oh, my way down the slide. Okay, let's see if we can watch another person. Ready?
That was little.
Let's go. Oh, Vinnie. Let me see you. You ready? It's gonna be awesome. Hey, see ya.
Take a seat, bud. Lay down.
Hey, yo. See ya. Ah! Don't tell me about it. Ah! I got wet on this water slide. Come here. Come here. Oh, there. Oh, it's all the lazy people in the lazy river. Come on.
We're in the lazy river, going back to our spot. Then we're going to eat some lunch.
Is it? Well, hey, tell everybody about that water slide you went down.
Oh my god, it was intense.
Was it better than the dark one?
No,
No.
definitely not. No.
You like the one in the tunnel better, right?
Yeah.
Go get it! Which one's faster though? The tunnel one?
Yeah, the tunnel.
The tunnel one? Well, film stuff. Trust everybody.
Alright guys. So right now we're in the lazy river. Pretty though.
No,
Very pretty.
keep it steady. You're moving around too much. Gotta hold still.
It's very, very pretty today.
It's a beautiful day and it hasn't been too cloudy. And so it's getting a little hot now.
Not that bad.
It might rain later. We're gonna be gone by then.
Yeah, we're gonna be sleeping.
Alright, so what kind of food are we gonna go get today?
Oh no, I don't know what they have.
I don't know what they have either. You said you wanted some pizza.
Yeah, they do have pizza for sure.
If you don't know they have pizza.
I smelled it later. I smelled it earlier.
You didn't smell nothing.
I got with my pets by the house.
Oh, it's a sneaky dude. It's a sneaky dude.
Yeah, guys, it's crazy. How do you zoom it in?
You can't zoom in on there. Hi, I'm Brad. I'm pushing Vic. That's Vinnie. Hi, I'm Brad. Vinnie. Brad. 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 I'm Vinnie. There, I'm Stitch.
Talk like Stitch.
No, it's Richard. It's like a Stitchy Stitch.
This is crazy. I don't know what to want with this Stitch. Boy. God bless you.
Hey, give me here. I'll let him film. Here he comes.
He got me.
He snotted all over you. He snotted. Come on. eat some pizza and some very disappointing chicken nuggets. Like there's only 2 of them, bro.
Come on!
I know. The good thing we got the pizza, right?
You can split that in half.
This is what we,
These chips are good, but they're not that bad.
well, you should have got the baked ones. That probably went better. But you didn't want those. Try nuggets. See if they're any good. You gotta tell me about it. The chicken nugget? They're hot? They're fresh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Barbecue is a little
Let's
spicy.
see it. Barbecue? You see. A little tangy. It's good though. Alright. Wanna try pizza? Yeah, hold that. Alright, let's try my pizza here. It's hot. Ready? Here we go. Oh, that's really good. Oh. Not cut very well.
I'm not a big fan of
It's cheese.
not
It's cheese and chicken. It's good?
hot.
Hot. Vinnie says he has a joke to tell us.
It's not funny.
It's not funny, but here we go. You ready?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
The interrupting cow.
Move!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
The interrupting cow.
An interrupting cow. Who?
Moo.
You just got out of there.
Oh, we did it.
Really? Really?
It's scared back. What's how far up you go?
Alright, I'm right here.
No, wait something.
I can reach this fine. Oh, the wave stopped. Oh, it's cold. Jeez, the sand, jeez. Oh, wait.
I'm stuck. Stop!
Ah, no, don't throw it, don't throw it.
Alright, we're gonna check out this toys
Store.
Toys, basically. Toy store.
Show me everything.
Oh, there's a big Stitch. Hi, Stitch. Big Stitching. And more balls.
It's a slap race. Watch.
Kind of what?
Put your hand out. Ready? Film it. Ready?
Kind of what? What? Closed. Hello? I guess nobody's home. I bet he has a little secret bunker. Yeah, fine. Alright guys, we're walking to the park right now.
Vinnie, did you have fun at the water park? At Blizzard Beach?
Oh yeah. Make
What
sure.
was your favorite slide?
The Tarot Death.
Oh, the tunnel one?
Yeah.
It wasn't called the Carrot Down, but that's what we were calling it.
He's going to put the link down below at Blizzard Beach.
Oh yeah, I'll put it in the description.
So, y'all can go check it out. Y'all might see me or him there.
Might. So in case you didn't know, if you book a hotel stay, the day that you check in, they give you a free entry to one of the water parks. And that's what me and Vinnie did today. We walked in for free. Right?
Yep.
Free.
And when we get to the hotel, we'll video show
hotel?
y'all all the hotel.
Alright, we're gonna do that?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do that. We gotta go find our car now. The fun part.
Guys, it is very,
Oh my god.
very hot in here. It's so hot.
So Vinny, you had fun?
Yeah.
You want to do it again someday?
Yeah, sure.
I know it. I think tomorrow's gonna be a lot more fun because you're gonna go on a very big coaster.
I don't know where, but okay.
It's a big coaster. It's a little thing called Tron.